Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the Miss video effect to your videos in CapCut Mobile. So if you want to spice up your videos, you can use the CapCut Nature video effects. And here I have this video of a man walking in snow, and I want to add some spice. I want to add a mist to this video. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to start here, the effect, click on effect, video effect, find the nature category, this one, and click on the mist option. Okay, you can see on the video there is a mist effect. You can always adjust it more. Here you can adjust the speed. I'm going to lower it to around 30, and atmosphere I'm going to go with 100. Click on a check icon and adjust the length to your liking. So here is the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.